Before Google Docs and smartphones, this was how stories were written, click by click, with the satisfying clack of each key hitting the page. It was a world of ink ribbons and manual effort. Then came the digital dawn of the 80s. Bulky monitors lit up offices, and the delete key replaced messy correction fluid. For the first time, writers could undo their mistakes, a revolutionary leap forward that changed the writing process forever. Fast forward to today. We write on sleek touchscreens, dictate ideas to AI assistants, and can send entire novels across the globe in seconds. The speed and accessibility are staggering. From mechanical type bars to intelligent touchpads, the tools have transformed beyond imagination. But the core passion, the drive to tell a story and share ideas, has stayed exactly the same. So, whether you're Team Retro or Team Digital, the love for writing connects us all. What's your favorite way to write? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys through time.